Back in October of last year, I picked up a 2003 Ford E450 school bus. It's a 5-window, and my daughter and I have been spending the last 8 months building it out. We're building it out to go on adventures together, camping. It's just a really safe vehicle, and we're really pleased with what we did. I think the biggest thing has been actually building this completely with my daughter. You know, we started with a hollow husk of a vehicle. There was nothing inside. It was just rusted metal inside, and together we built it into a pretty cool camper, I think. Basically, when we built the bus, we wanted to have something that was the equivalent to a tiny home. We wanted something that had all the amenities of home, but with us wherever we went. So we have a full kitchen with a microwave, we have an Instapot, we have an induction burner, we have a Tocket robotic chef. We can basically cook anything in the bus, and it's really easy to do. And we also have a 50-inch television in the front of the bus and a 24-inch television in the back of the bus. So we have multiple gaming consoles in the system, all running in the vehicle, and we can switch it between any of the TVs to play games together. We chose the BLUETTI RV system for a couple reasons. First of all, it is probably one of the most powerful systems you can get for an RV that you can self-install. It has a 5,000 watt inverter, it has a 48-volt system, and it has a ton of capacity potential. We currently have 2 batteries in it ourselves, which is 10 kilowatt. You can easily expand that to 20 kilowatt without taking up hardly any additional space, with the batteries being stackable. The batteries are actually pretty cool in their own right. They're IP65, they're rated marine capable, and they are really nice. They're also self-heating. Overall, the batteries just offer a lot of features that a lot of the competitors don't have. Unlike a lot of RV-based systems where you have 7 or 8 different components that you have to wire together to get working correctly, everything with the BLUETTI system has been very much plug and play. We have the optional wiring kit that you can also order with the system, and once you have that, you don't have to worry about crimping or doing anything with the wires. You just basically hook it all together, and there's the main component, which is the RV5. There's the E-panel, which has the app controllable circuitry, and then there's the E-pad, and then the 2 batteries that we have connected. And it is cake to wire it all together and get it all working together. So the system comes with a alternator charger, and it's a 50 amp charger, which will do 600 watts with a 12-volt battery system, or it will do 1200 watts if you have a 24-volt alternator, and it works really well. On the roof, we have 800 watts of solar. We got 4 200-watt panels, and we also have a window AC installed into the back of the system, and that AC will run for almost 24 hours straight off of the battery system without any additional input. So it really makes it a lot easier to boondock. All in all, I'm extremely pleased with the BLUETTI system. It has so many features, and it just works so well and seamlessly. It's allowing my daughter and I to actually take our bus to the next level. We can go out and boondock and explore and enjoy life together. So overall, the BLUETTI RV system has just been amazing for us.